meet you and we're like, our idea and our fairy tale is you are Prince Charming, honey. And then we try to get you to fit Prince Charming, and the more you don't fit it, the more y'all end up in my office. Then to get this, work through this, I'm going, so because he don't fit your tone of red, you gonna tell me this man still ain't red?
He burgundy though.
Folks who are not being fully authentic within themselves. Meaning, you may have a loving relationship.
Hi guys, happy Monday. Welcome back to my vloggy vlog, and I promise I have a shirt on, it's just crop top, but welcome to my vlog. If you are new, welcome back. If you have been here before, my name is Nana and I am just here with a weekly vlog. I hope I don't got nothing stuck on my teeth. I just finished eating, so if y'all see something in my teeth, that's why. But today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. That was kind of like the start of the week for me. It was a reset, so I cleaned and I edited my video. I posted up my video for Sunday because every Sundays I'm going to be posting up a video. So I edited that video and I posted that up. And I didn't really do much. It was really a reset for me. But today is back to the work week. So I am actually gonna film a TikTok because I really want to start posting on TikTok and kind of building my community there. If you have a TikTok and you would like to follow me, please do. My TikTok handle and my YouTube handle is the same. So it is _SoNana. So make sure you go follow me on TikTok. I will start posting on there consistently, but it's gonna be more I think beauty content for me on there. So I'm gonna do like a get ready with me on TikTok. I did start kind of filming it for the concert, but I didn't really like it, so I'm gonna do it over and then post it up on there. But I want to do that. Then also I have to finish up my get ready with me for YouTube because I didn't film like an outro. I just did the makeup look but didn't film the outro, so I have to do that. And also I have something stuck in my teeth. I could feel it, but I can't see it right now. But I had to get a tripod for that because let me pull this up because it really looks like I don't have nothing on. I had to get a tripod because I feel like this tripod that I'm using right now is broke. It broke. So I'm using that for the camera. That's what I specifically use for the camera, but I don't have one specifically for my phone. So I had to order one with a ring light specifically for my phone, so I'm able to easily create videos for TikTok. So I just got one for my phone and it just got here, so I'm gonna show you. One is from Amazon, of course, because you know, can't beat their fast and free shipping. So this is the ring light that I got. It was only like 20 something dollars, 26, 25, something like that. But I just got like a regular ring light. It's nothing like too expensive, too fancy. And I kind of wanted something small too, since this is gonna be a ring light. I just wanted something small and compact. So I got this ring light. So this is the little light area. You do have to plug it in, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it's battery operated. Well, it looks like you gotta plug it into something. I'm not sure what this is, but this is the actual light. What is this? This is the actual the phone holder or tripod. No, it's not the tripod, it's just the phone where you put your phone at. And then it has a remote, so I can also take pictures with, I can connect it with Bluetooth and take pictures using this tripod. And then the actual tripod stand is right here, and it is like adjustable. You can adjust it and make it tall enough. Oh, this is pretty for $25. This doesn't feel cheap. This feels like a good quality tripod. But this is it. I think it extends. If I could get this open. Oh, okay, look, it extends. extends pretty far down. So yeah, I'm gonna use that for TikTok. So this is gonna be my the tripod for my phone specifically. So yeah, I'm gonna film that. Oh, and also I wanted to open up my vinyl player, because I did pick up the SZA SOS vinyl. Yeah, this is one of my favorite albums right now at the moment, even though it's been out for a minute. And I think she canceled her tour though last year when she was going on tour for the SOS, so she wasn't able to have the Houston tour, if I'm not mistaken. But I did want to go. I'm not sure what happened. I think she ended up canceling the rest of her tour and she couldn't do it. But this is literally one of my favorite albums, so I did have to get it in a vinyl player because I got the vinyl, and I'm just gonna have a whole section in my apartment, a whole bunch of vinyls and stuff like that. So I got that, and I'm actually gonna play that because I just want to see if it works. So let's get this vinyl set up and then film. So I set up the tripod, so this is how it looks. It's not that big. Well, it is big, it extends, but I'm probably just gonna keep it like this because again, this is strictly for TikTok. Let me just see if it works. I mean, well, it better work. Well, let me read the instructions, because how do you turn this on? Okay, 1 second, y'all. All right, I got it to work. Yeah, I had to plug it, so you gotta find like a cube to plug it. This is how it looks. Woo, that light is bright. You can change the tone. You can adjust it to lower, higher. So this is pretty cool. I don't know if I have to let it charge or I just keep it plugged in, but I'll leave it like that for a bit. And I'm gonna go set up the vinyl player.
And now I cannot trust you, and I'm forced to let you go. That's what's spreading thin on us, Lou. Hate to see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time.
Hey y'all, so I just got done with my work day and my filming and stuff like that. I have a headache, so I'm not gonna do anything for the rest of the day. I'm gonna take some medicine and just relax because I have like the worst headache right now. So I'm just gonna take this makeup off and just relax because yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do anything because I get the worst headaches ever. So this is my Monday. I'm not really gonna do much today. We'll pick back up tomorrow, Tuesday. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey party people, it's Wednesday and I'm about to head to Walmart because I need to get a couple of things for the house. We ran out of toothpaste and just oral hygiene things, so I'm gonna go grab a couple of those. And also I wanted to go to Trader Joe's because we ran out of pancakes and just breakfast food. So I'm probably gonna go to Trader Joe's as well and also get some flowers because I don't have any flowers for the week. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Today is a pretty light day. I don't have anything planned. Am I gonna cook today? Yes, I might cook today because I ran out of my jollof rice that I made, and I kind of want to try it with the chicken too. So I've kind of been hooked. I had the fish, now I'm gonna try to make the chicken today, and I'm gonna start that early because it took me all night just to make the one I made last week. So I'm gonna make that today as well. So I'm just gonna do it with chicken legs. So I'm gonna get that, and yeah, I'm just getting miscellaneous things that I need. So you guys are gonna come along with me and we're gonna go do that. So I'll see you guys when Walmart is right here. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart first, but I like the turkey bacon from H-E-B. But I don't need to be going to a lot of different places to get stuff. We'll see. We'll go to Walmart first and then Trader Joe's after. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
All your lies and cover up. You're switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know that
Hi guys, so I'm back from Trader Joe's. I went to Trader Joe's and Walmart. And I'll just show you guys what I got. So I'm gonna start with Walmart first. So I just got some mouthwash because I ran out of my mouthwash, so I just got a new one. And I'm kind of gonna try the Crest Pro Health one. I was using, I forgot what's the other one called. I can't remember the name of the other one that I used to use, but you guys have seen it in my video a couple of times. And then I'm also switching toothpaste. I'm gonna use the Crest White toothpaste, and I'm gonna try that. I picked up King some Crest as well, and I need to go to BJ's to like get the big bulk, but for now I had to run to Walmart because we ran out. I also got him some floss because he doesn't have any, he ran out. I got me some floss because I'm running out of floss. I only got like a couple left. And I got us new toothbrushes because I think it's been a minute since I switched it out, and I usually try to do it every 6 months. So I just got me a new toothbrush. And I also got King a new toothbrush as well. I got him this Sonic one. This is the electric ones, I think, the spin ones, and it has a toothbrush cover on it. Because when he was in New York, my dad was saying how he kept stealing his toothbrush cover. So I made sure to get him one this time. So that's what I got from Walmart. To Trader Joe's as well, and I got me some flowers because my roses, red ones had died, so I got me some white ones that I'm gonna put up in my vase box. Then I got some food mainly from Trader Joe's. So I picked up this like roasted tomato and Parmesan flatbread. It's not a flatbread, but it's kind of like, it looks really good, so I want to try it. I'm probably, I don't know, this could be like a snack or something like that, so I'm gonna put that in the fridge. Maybe later I'll have it as a snack. I'll just pop it in the oven. Then I picked up this double chocolate, what is it, wafer cookies. If you know me, I'm a chocolate girl, so I just wanted to try this little snack out. I got some tomatoes. I got 2 tomatoes. And you know, I had to pick up the this is the reason why I went to Trader Joe's to begin with. I had to pick up these Dutch griddle pancakes. I got 3 of these because we ran out. And we needed some pancakes. Well, these aren't pancakes. These are McGriddles that we eat as pancakes. I got green peppers because, like I said, I'm gonna be cooking the jollof rice again, and I ran out of green peppers. So I wanted to try these Belgian waffles, and King loves anything with syrup, so I picked it up. We're gonna try it. I think it only comes with 4, so we'll try that. King might eat it all before I get to it, so we'll see. Then I picked up these chicken breakfast sausage patties because I'm kind of tired of the turkey bacon, so I just picked up the chicken patties that we're gonna try for now. I think I got like 2 of these, if I'm not mistaken. I got 2 packs. Then I also got sweet potato that I'm also gonna use for the jollof rice. Then I got, you know, my vanilla mochi. This is like literally one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. It's like this vanilla mochi, but it has like vanilla ice cream in it too. It's so yummy and good as a little snack. Then I got some parsley. Is this parsley? Yeah, I got some parsley. I got strawberries because, you know, we love strawberries in this household. And then I got some shrimp. How do you pronounce these? Gyoza? I don't know. It's these. They're so good with the little sauce that is displayed next to it. But this is so good. Also as like a little, this is not a snack. It's probably like lunch, something I could have for lunch or something like that. So that's all I got from Trader Joe's and from Walmart. So I'm just gonna put it away and put my flowers up.
Because y'all be driving Lexus Jeeps and the Benz Jeeps and the Lincoln Jeeps, nothing cheaper, got the platinum visas. What's your name? Cause I'm impressed. And you treat me good, I won't settle for less. You a hot boy, a rock boy, a fun toy, total block boy. Where you live, is it by yourself? Can I move with you? Do you need some help? Cook boy, I'll give you more. I'm a fly girl and I like those hot boys. Baby, you got what I want. See, cause y'all be driving Lexus Jeeps and the Benz Jeeps and the Lincoln Jeeps, nothing cheaper, got the platinum
second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she